In this video, we're going to look at fractional scale factors. We're going to enlarge shapes using a scale, which is a fraction. So in this case, it's 5/4. Now what we need to do is measure the sides of our original shape and then take each side length and divide it by the bottom of the scale factor, so in this case 4, and then the result of that multiply it by the top of the scale factor, this side, 5. And then obviously we need to draw our new shape. So let's measure the sides. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 along. See how much it's down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 down. So we've got a square of 8 side. So to work out our new side length for each of these sides for the square, we 8 and we divide by the bottom of our scale factor, that's going to be 4, and then multiply by the top of our scale factor, so that's 5. 8 divided by 4 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. So our size of our new square is 10. So let's measure that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there we go. So let's draw that line. Here we go. First line in. And let's measure down as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need to just shift this up a little bit. And 10. Okay, let's bring down a line. So using a ruler, obviously we draw that. And as this is square, I can just do exactly the same length for the other ones. And this would be my new enlarged shape. Here's our second shape, and this time we're using a scale of 3/2. So let's measure all the sides. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The little one here is 1 and 2. And then I'm going to change pen because I'm going to talk about diagonals here. So we've got 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal, 3 diagonal, 4 diagonal. So I've measured my sides. Now to work out my new length, I divide by the bottom of my scale factor and times by the top. So the length that's 4, I have to divide by 2 and times by 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So the 4 side becomes 6. 6 side, 6 divided by 2 times by 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3, times by 3 is 9. So the 6 side becomes 9. The 8, if we continue this pattern, 8 divided by 2 is 4, times by 3 is 12. And then we've got the side that's 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, times by 3 is 3. Okay, and we've obviously got the diagonal side as well. So 4 divided by 2 times by 3 is 6 diagonals. Okay, so let's get starting to build this new shape. So the side that was 4 at the top is now going to be 6. So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's my first side. So let's draw that in using a ruler, obviously. And then the side down the side here was 6 and now it's 9. So I need to draw 9 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's find a side. So now draw my side with a 9. The 8 side now becomes 12. So let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's draw that one in. That's the long one there. Okay. Next I have the little short one, the 2 side here. So I need to do that. So 2 became 3. So let's find that. So we need to go along here. 1, 2, 3 up. And that's that line there. And then the last line was supposed to be 6 diagonals. Okay, so I'm going to put the line in and just check afterwards that that's 6 diagonals. That should work as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is my new enlarged shape.